In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically redirect to the Asana web app whenever you open the Asana website. This simple adjustment can save you time and make your workflow a bit smoother by taking you directly to your workspace without any extra clicks. So, let's dive in and get this set up for you. First, let's locate the profile icon. If you look at the top right corner of your screen while you're logged into Asana, you'll see your profile picture or an icon that represents your account. Go ahead and click on that. This is the starting point for accessing your account settings, where all the magic happens. Once you've clicked on your profile, a drop-down menu will appear. Among the options listed, you'll want to select Settings. This will take you into a dedicated area where you can customize various aspects of your Asana experience. It's a handy place to know about, as there are plenty of tweaks you can make here to suit your preferences. Now, with the Settings menu open, direct your attention to the tabs across the top. We're particularly interested in the Display tab for this task, so go ahead and click on that. This area is specifically designed for modifying how Asana appears and behaves as you use it, and it's where we can make the change for automatic redirection. Within the display settings, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled OpenAsana.com to. By default, this might not be set to the most efficient option. You'll want to change this setting to Asana in the browser. Simply select it from the drop-down menu. This adjustment tells Asana to open directly in your browser's web app, helping you bypass any unnecessary steps or screens. And that's it. With those simple steps, you've configured Asana to automatically redirect to your web app. From now on, every time you type in asana.com and hit enter, you will be seamlessly taken straight to your Asana workspace. It's a small tweak, but it can significantly improve your efficiency, especially if you find yourself accessing Asana frequently throughout the day. Remember, small adjustments like this are fantastic for optimizing your workflow over time. If you ever want to review your settings or make further changes, just follow these steps again to revisit the options available in your Asana settings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tip helps you make the most out of Asana. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. See you in the next video.